Okay, Sherry. So here we go. You have your login. Okay, we have two accounts with Landlord Vision. Okay, one is for these landlords which are like at the moment we are taking full 2 unit 2 bedroom.
Second camera. Okay, please go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I asked Fazila to join us, so at least she can see.
Here.
I can hear.
Yeah. You ask Fazila to join as well. Okay. Okay.
Same thing happened yesterday when me and Kamran spoke, but today morning.
Okay, I'm not hearing you, Kamran. Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, see, so we went to properties. Okay, so I have created another property for which is 1004. I will show you how the property looks like. So this is the property, and I just put an expected rent. I have created rooms as well so that we can, if in the future we rent them as a room, we can do that. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create tenancies. So all this is about two things. One is tenancy and another is statement. What is tenancy and what is statement? That's very important for us to understand. Okay. Give me a second. Let me ask Fazila to join again. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we have created the rooms. Now we are going to create tenancies. Okay, so Cherry, as you know, for each unit, we always have expired tenancy. If you see, go here, there's an expired tenancy.
Yes.
This is an OTA guest. Okay, we can change it as OTA guest Airbnb tenancies. Okay, so here at the moment, this is an active tenancies, but for every, yeah, Fazila is joining. Okay. Hi, Fazila, can you hear us? Hello, Fazila, are you there? Can you hear us? Fazila,
Yes, I.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start over again. Okay, first thing we create, we have two accounts. One is landlord vision account where we are managing apartments, okay? And the other is our own, which is the rooms and discovery garden. So this is the account for full apartments where we're going to add studios and full bedrooms with 20-80% or whatever. So I'll show you how it works. So first we're going to create properties. At the moment, as you can see, this is Shahid's account. Just once we have Greenland on board, we'll create another profile which will be Greenland apartments. Okay, so this is Shahid's apartments. We have two apartments. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So what we do every month, we send him a report. So first we need to see what we do. Whatever we do on this, we need to create a statement of account. So it's very important for us to understand. In this software, we are being considered as agents. Okay, so property management agents. That's our role in this. So we need to send them a profit and loss statement. Okay, so we created what we can do. We can just we can create here as well. This statement we can email. We sent it as well. So what it shows? It shows the revenue. It shows what is the revenue from this property. So as you can see, for the month of December, there was one OTA guest, so which is Airbnb. So we got 1,030 dirham, and then Rustam came, who paid till 3rd of January, from 4th of December to 3rd of January, he paid 9,000 dirhams. So total income was 10,000 on this. Okay, and what were the expenses? So expenses are, there are two kinds of expenses. One are our property management fee. As you can see, it's a property management fee. So property, there are two fees. One is 20% on each of these, plus 5% VAT, which is on our fee. Try to understand, this 5% VAT is not on total amount. This is not 5% of 10,300. It's the 5% of that fee which we charged. Okay, like, so here it was like 1,700 something. So on that there was 190 dirham. So it automatically added over there. So this is the VAT and management fee. And then third thing is general expense. So general expense, all these things which we bought, we put it over here. So this was the total, and this is the net profit, 5,416 dirhams. All right. So then we can just click on email PDF and send it to him. Okay, how it works, how everything get into the system. That's a very critical part to understand. So first we need to create a property, of course, under property management. Once we created the property, okay, then we need to create a tenancy. So there are different kinds of tenancies. One tenancy, which is on all properties, which goes expired, of course, and that is an Airbnb or OTA tenancy. Another tenancy, the second kind of tenancy, is the long term. If somebody is taking monthly basis, then that would be the monthly tenancies. So if we go on tenancies now, okay, and here is a tenancy which is 1004, and as you can see, the tenant is Airbnb. So what we need to do, we need to look into this tenancy. So here is the tenancy. The payment schedule. Payment schedule is one of the important things, which shows what are the payments, what has come into here. Since this tenancy is not the one which is where we know what is the amount coming. So we need to create invoice every time. It can be a charge invoice, it can be a rent invoice. So that invoice need to be added. Like you clicked on add invoice, you click on OTA, you clicked on one design. Okay, you selected the tenancy, you make it when the tenancy started, it was like 20th of December, 20th of December around. So what we're going to make till 30th of, sorry, we need to change here.
20th of December, yeah.
So 20th of December, we choose, let's say 20th of December, and then due date, which would be, okay, due date would be the same. So we can make it 22 of December 2021. Okay, so payable to, okay, this is the letting agent. So we are the letting agent. So we will get this. So what is the income? So it is rental income. So I created the rental income from OTA. That's the description. Okay. Now I need to see what is that income. So I go to Airbnb and I figure it out what it is. So I have already downloaded the income for Shahid's, which is December. This is the total, how it came here. Okay, there were 3 transactions. It is showing I can put a date there, and Airbnb is going to provide me exact amount. So Airbnb has provided me this amount. So what I did, I have subtracted the host fee. Okay. Okay, I'm going to subtract here cleaning fee as well, because our cleaning fee is different. All right. So we were going to charge cleaning separately, 200 dirham. Here we need to reduce the cleaning fee everywhere. Okay. So what I did, I made it like this. So here you go. So what happened here, this is the amount we received. We reduced the Airbnb host fee, we removed the cleaning fee, and then we total. The total I multiply by 4.1. This is again important. We are going to calculate on a little bit lower rate, at least 2 to 3% lower rate than the XE, because this is not the rate what we received. When funds are being transferred by Airbnb, they don't give us exact Google rate. They always give us 2%, 3%, those get deducted. So always multiply it with something. If XE is showing 4.2, then multiply with 4.1. Make at least 2% less than that. So this is the amount which is coming. So here what I can do, I can just copy paste this information. Okay, I go here. Okay, I put it here. Rental income, and here I put this amount which is calculated 3234. So I'm going to put it 3234.
Oh.
So I save it. So actually I can edit the invoice and I can attach a document as well. We can create a new document, and okay, you can create also in this way. So this is the invoice now where we have mentioned what is the amount coming, and then we need to add it. So the payment can be added by any way. It can be added from here. So the date we received was, let's say I put it 30th December. This is important. Okay, this is very important. The statement. See, please try to understand, when we are sending any information to the landlord, it would be always a statement. So every payment to the landlord will be against a single statement. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'll create a new statement here. Okay, so I'll say first 104 statement. Okay, statement date, I'll again put 2021 December 31st. Here also it should have been 2021 December 30th. Okay, I'll mention it as first statement of account. What we're going to do till the time we pay to Shahid, we will keep adding things under this statement. Okay, so that once it is paid, it would be, so the software handles it. Okay, so I added now, so first statement of account, reference. Okay, it should have been showing, actually this statement should be shown as first statement of account for 1004. So where I can access it, I can access it under agent fee. Okay, so it is showing here first statement of account. So I go to first statement of account. Okay, so what I need to do is, when I went to the tenancy, okay, this is the tenancy, I go again. Now, while creating the tenancy, I need to mention, as you can see, I have mentioned letting agent as smart stay with 5% VAT, okay, and 20% is our fee. All right, so I have added now. So I'll go and I'll check the statement of account. So I will go, I'll go to agent fee, agent statement. So 100 this, okay, I'll click on this. So as you can see in the statement of account, it already calculated 679.14, which is a 20% plus 5% VAT. Okay, it has already, reducing this, and it has reduced this amount. This is the total amount which is received from the bank, from the Airbnb, and this is our deduction. So I can go to the report and I can create a profit and loss report for 1004 for the same amount of time. I don't need to add rooms here, but if we rent it as rooms, I can add that as well. And I click on apply. So here you go. So now it is showing here. This is the property income. Okay. Okay, the guy who is in 9002 room 4 is calling me. Give me a second. Yes, hello? Hello? Yes, how can I?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm calling from Untitled Chapter. I think you have a guest here.
You're calling from which tower?
Jewel Tower.
Jewel Tower? No, we don't have any guests for Jewel Tower.
Because there is a one guest here. He is asking to me if there is a name of here the book. Mr. Abdullah. Today is the booking.
Abdullah?
Abdullah is for Al Shams.
Al-Shams. Oh, okay. It's Shams 2. Ask him. His building is Shams 2.
Chance too.
Yeah. Ask him to go to Shams 2.
Okay.
Okay? It's not Jewel.
Can you send it here by here? You know,
Ask him to WhatsApp. Ask him to WhatsApp now. I'll send him the location and everything. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
What Jewel?
It's a Shams to guest. He has gone to another tower.
Why Jewel?
Oh, I don't know how come he got that address.
Yeah, he's from Saudi Arabia. He can go anywhere. We should be ended up in these
So
guys.
he's gone to the wrong address.
Yeah. How can it's written Shams 2 to Airbnb? They just book.
Jewel?
They find it cheaper than the hotel on JBR, and they just go ahead and book. Now I asked Fazila as well. Fazila, can you make sure that you mention in Arabic everything on these listings? You can use Fazila. Are you there? Cherry, can you
Yeah, I'm listening.
mention everything in Arabic in this list because they don't understand English? Okay, so
Yeah.
Arabic.
Arabic 9002 room for all those apartment where we get this.
We will translate it to Arabic. We will add Arabic.
Just add Arabic over there.
No, Fazila, in those standalone properties where where the assistants are not like Shams 2 and the other like 29 Boulevard, which is coming up, where these people are checking in on their own. If we can have these Arabic letters and Arabic directions, it will be good actually.
I guess I need to create a template and a quick reply. That would be better because on description I tried, but still they do not read.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't read because they don't understand English. Can you please start, use Google Translator and write that information in Arabic, please? Okay, so they understand. They are not going to read English. Parking B169. Okay, yeah, I think this much he should be able to read, but let me also, yeah. So, okay, I added him in the group. Cherry, can you message him? Okay, so we were
Okay, sure.
now what we need to add here, other expenses, which are what we have purchased so far. Okay, so Cherry, what I need from your side is to have this.
Yeah, all those expenses.
All those expenses mentioned here, okay, then we will add a DTCM fee, then we'll add as equal to the number of guests. Actually, it would have been much better if we just use this sheet, which is Airbnb sheet, and we don't need to mention cleaning. But the challenge is cleaning charges are high. We are paying like 200.
But the charges is like they spend 2 hours times 2 times 30. So it's like 100, 120.
Okay, then it's fine. Then let's use this thing. Okay, then yeah, just use this thing. Then no need to add. Okay, if the cleaning charge is fine, then let it be like this. It's fine then. No need to add cleaning charges further because then it's okay. Because this thing can cover the cleaning. You get me? This is 30 euros. So it is like 150 dirham. You're paying less than 150.
Okay.
The stuff is done, but no need to add that. So it's okay. We are going to pay this. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, there is somebody else at the hotel. Find the key. There's nothing under the table. Okay, who is she now? We are at the hotel. Who are you? What's your name? Which building?
Which one?
Alexandra.
Alexandra.
Yeah.
6104, room 1.
One. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Give me a second.
203.
Mark just updated 2204. It was just there at 3 o'clock.
Okay. Give me a second. Let me add her. Ganesh, please find me a solution to this. Once there will be a lot of customers, I cannot do all this. We need to have a system in place which is integrated with.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what this person Danish. What that is what I was explaining to Mr. Danish also yesterday. Maybe if we can also ask him the same question, how we can channelize all these queries coming from our customers.
Yeah. Okay, perfect, guys. So let's finish it up. So I was just saying how to create this statement. Now what we need is another expense, and then we can just create an email PDF, and that's it. So what it's going to do, once the payment will be done, then we will, once the payment will be done, then we just mention in our statement that the payment has been done, and then system will recognize that the payment has been moved from a holiday home company to the landlord. Okay, so that would be one statement. So this is what I'm saying here. This is 601 first statement. Then we will have, the second statement. So one statement will end when the payment has been released from us to the landlord. All right. Fazila, you need to play with it a little bit. Okay. And Shari, you also need to log in and you need to enter this information.
Yes.
Okay, guys, that's it. I will upload it into YouTube and share with you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
2204.